Fell into your eyes, and I got lost, trying to find a way to your heart. I'm taken by a it's drawing me to her, and her lips, something subtle smile. She blows a kiss. I'm taken by her rose that she gives me. Is it just how she sees me that gives me such a crush? That gives me such a feeling that she gives me, makes me feel like I'm falling until it seems I've lost control. Feeling like it's okay when her arms are around me. Just a glance from her makes me see that I've been taken by this rush that she gives me. Is it just how she sees me that gives me such a crush? Such a crush. She makes me so crazy. Oh,
Hey friend, I just want to warn you about something. This is a threat, trust me. I heard about a bunch of people that want to beat you up,
Okay.
so watch out.
Alright.
You're breaking Harry Potter's wand.
Okay.
Ain't no one's you, David.
Whatever. You broke his lightsaber? His wand. Lightsaber? Piece of wood. He had a piece of... You're talking about the kid that was in the Johnny Depp suit? Who's Harry Potter? A bunch of dudes went around with capes on their back. Are you serious? And he came over to taunt us and I broke his wand. That's funny. Come on, Bird. This is pointless. Go.